welcome to the channel. Today, new small job, just going to fit a cable to attach a Oximiser 900 charger to the battery on the Honda CB400N Superdream. It's not a big job, but just thought I'd show you guys. Right, let's get into it. Firstly, let's jack up the bike on the ramp. That should do. Right, so easy, simple job. Just prise off gently the side panel. Now this bike is 1980, so it's 40 years old, more than 40 years old. So we have lugs missing off the panels. Have some cable ties on here just so that if it does happen to pop off when I'm out on a little ride, we don't lose that. Getting harder to find all these parts. So, right, so battery. We need to disconnect this battery. First of all, I'll just release the rubber band, which is here. That holds the battery in position. I took that safely out the way, just like this. Then with a Phillips screwdriver, undo the screw which holds a positive lead to the battery terminal. Take the screws out for now, put them on the side, and then again just nice, just tuck that out the way. Slide the battery forward to give access to the negative terminal. So again, undo it with the same screwdriver. Take the nut and the screw away. That's it. So now the battery is free. I'll just place it in there, just balance it, try not to knock it over. Then we want the connection cable for the Oximiser battery charger. So I have a positive and negative terminals. Positive is obviously the red one, and it has an inline fuse already fitted. Comes with the Oximiser. So we're going for the neutral terminal first, the negative if you like. And the trick here is trying to balance everything. We could place the screw through the terminal for the charger. Then you have to kind of get your hand inside the bike, slide that terminal and plate together. You probably can't see because my hand's in the way, I'll show you. There you go. So now we have the two together, and the M6 nut which goes on the back of that screw, and then we can just tighten that up. That's enough. And then we have the positive terminal here, which once we slide the battery back into position into the housing, so we can bring the positive terminal back into where we need it. Another screw, M6 those are, and the terminal for the charger lead. And put the nut on there. That should be okay. So that's the lead connected. Don't forget to place your battery cover strap, battery strap, sorry, back. Just stops the battery vibrating around, holds it nice and strong. I think what I'm going to do with this, lose the excess cable just inside the housing. There's a space there inside the battery housing, and then I'm going to have it just sitting around here somewhere, so that when the cover is on, I can still get access to it. So I may put a cable tie around that, but we'll just leave it loose for now. In fact, if I took the cable behind, let's have a go at that. Took the cable behind here. Let's have a look when we put the cover back on. Nicely popped in. Then now you can see we've got good easy access to this, and it will actually just push back inside the back of the panel there, and it just traps. I'll show you, see if you can see that. Yeah, there we are, just here.